Hey guys, and welcome back to an all new Cold Culture automotive video. Today I am finally getting the tint done on my truck. So we're gonna just go ahead and take it down. Unfortunately, I'm filming on my iPhone, so hopefully the quality doesn't look too bad, but let's just hop in and take it down. Truck is already on, probably because it's, I don't know, 1,000 degrees outside. With these windows being so big, it just lets so much heat in. This is hot 24/7. That's getting a clear ceramic as well as my front window is also getting ceramic. I'm doing ceramic on the front 3 and sunroof, and then just normal tint on the back 3 windows. The reason I'm doing that is no one's ever back there, so the heat back there doesn't matter too much to me. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay till the end of the video. I'm gonna be going over how much everything costs and exactly what I did, so make sure you stay till the end of the video to see all that. But let's get to the shop, let's get this tint put in, and let's pay the men and get out of here. So I got the truck, the tint is on, and I think it looks awesome. I was scared it was gonna be too dark, and actually it's a lot lighter than I thought it was gonna be. Am I a little disappointed? Nah, not really, because I haven't driven it at night yet. You can tell it's a lot darker than it was. You'll be able to tell in the thumbnail too. It's a lot darker. The black with the red, it looks good. It kind of pops really well with the truck, which is a nice thing to have. Don't pay attention to how dirty my truck is and needs a nice little wash. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Is it a big difference or not really? Again, just go over what I got done on the truck. It's gonna be ceramic on the front windshield, and the driver and passenger side are both ceramic dark tint. This is the front windshield is gonna be light tint. I got clear tint that is ceramic on the sunroof, just to try to help fight all that heat that is constantly coming in. And then if we work our way back, I just told them to match it with high performance tint. I didn't feel a need to have ceramic on the whole vehicle, mostly because I'm not trying to pay $1,000 for tint on this truck. Ceramic tint is very expensive because it works well, and we'll see how well it really works down the road in the channel. Okay, so how much did this all cost me? Well, let me break it down for you. Okay, so again, back half is light HP film on the whole back half of the truck. And then we got dark ceramic on the front 2 windows. The front window is light ceramic, and then the moonroof is gonna be light ceramic. This came out to a total of about $400. That total is gonna vary wherever you go. This is a place that me and my whole family go to, so I believe they gave us maybe even a little bit of a discount, because as far as I understand, ceramic tint is very, very expensive. Now, actually, I'm filming this almost a full 2 weeks after I got it done. The reason I did this is, one, because I'm horrible at storytelling in my videos, but I wanted to see how much it actually worked, and you know, is ceramic worth it? And although I'm sitting in my truck and it's 106 degrees outside, and I'm not running my air because it's gonna hurt the sound quality, the ceramic tint works really, really well. I mean, even just touching my windows, they're not hot. And I just got in my truck to film this, and my air has not been running. The windows aren't hot, none of it's hot. This top part is usually on fire, like it's always radiating. And I should have got, you know, maybe one of those temperature guns to show you guys the difference, but usually this whole thing is hot. It's not hot at all. It's definitely worth getting ceramic tint. I even kind of regret a little bit not just doing the whole thing, because why not? Yes, it would have been a little bit more expensive, but you know, I didn't know it was going to really work this well. So with that being said, let's get back to the video. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Send this to somebody who wants ceramic tint or is just curious about ceramic tint. And actually, I want to disprove something. I have seen this all over the internet. I don't know why people think that this is a real thing. A lot of people get fooled by it, but this is what it looks like from the outside of the truck, and that's what it looks like from the inside of the truck. It's not clear. A lot of people think that ceramic tint looks dark on the outside and is clear on the inside. That is simply not true at all whatsoever. All ceramic tint is gonna do is help dilute all of that light and heat that is coming through. As far as I understand, it has like little particles in it. The light bounces off those particles as well as the heat and keeps you nice and cool inside your truck. Hence why I got the clear one on top of the roof, because even though it's clear, it still has that material which is gonna dilute a lot of that heat and sunlight. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.